Hi, I'm Teacher Hernan, and welcome to Math for You. In this video, I'll be discussing with you about estimating quotient or estimating the quotient. But before we'll start, please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel and click that bell icon if you want to be updated with my latest videos. To estimate the quotient, there are only two things to do. First is to round off each number to the highest place value. Then after that, you divide. The answer is the estimated quotient. Look at this first example here. I have 842 divided by 35. Again, round off each number to the highest place value before you divide. So let's start with this number. The highest place value is hundreds, which is the digit 8. Since the right digit is 4, so we remain the digit, so this 8 remain. Then these two digits become zeros. So it's 800 divided by, here, the highest place value is tens. So the right digit is 5, so we add 1, so this becomes 4. Then the 5 becomes 0. Now, after you round off the numbers, that's the time you divide to get the estimated quotient. But before you divide, you cancel first the zeros for easy solution. So you start with the divisor. Start with the divisor. There is 1 0 in the divisor, so cancel 1 0. Cancel also 1 0 in the dividend. So what is left? 80 divided by 4. What's 80 divided by 4? That will give you 20. So 20 here is our estimated quotient. Now let's have two more examples on estimating the quotient. Let's have this example here. Again, round off first each number to their highest place value. So here we have thousands. The right digit is 6, so this becomes 3. The rest become 0. So it's 3,000 divided by, the highest place value is 100. Hundreds, the digit 5. The right digit is 1, so remain the 5. Then the two digits become 0. So it's 3,000 divided by 500. Again, before you divide, cancel first the zeros. Start with the divisor. This time, there are 2 zeros in the divisor. So cancel the 2 zeros. You cancel 2 zeros here, cancel also 2 zeros here. So what is left? 30 divided by 5. So 30 divided by 5, that will give us 6. So the estimated quotient is 6. What about the next example? Let's round off. Highest place value, this will give you 700 divided by, this will give you 80 rather. Now if you cancel 1 0 here and 1 0 here, 70 divided by 70 and 8 are not compatible numbers because when you divide them, they will give you remainder of, there is a remainder rather when you divide them. So they are not compatible numbers. Be sure when you estimate the quotient, after you round off the numbers, be sure the numbers are compatible, meaning easy to divide. But here, they are not compatible, so instead of using 70, you go back to the original number. It's 65, still not compatible with 8. So find a number closest to 65 that is compatible with 8, meaning can be divided by 8 easily. And that number is, the closest is 64. So instead of using 70, we will use 64 because 64 and 8 are compatible numbers. So if you divide this, that will give you 8, right? So 8 here is our estimated quotient. Let's see if you understood how to estimate the quotient. Let's answer two exercises here on the board. The first one is 75,846 divided by 173. Again, round off first each number to the highest place value. So what's the first number when we round off to the highest place value? What's the answer? It's what? Yes, 80,000. What about the second one? Round off the highest place value, that will give you 200. Correct. Again, before you divide, cancel the zeros starting with the divisor. So you have 2 zeros here. So cancel also 2 zeros. So what is left? 800 divided by 2. If you cannot divide 800 by 2 mentally, just divide 8 by 2. What's 8 divided by 2? 4, right? Then just copy the 2 zeros. So the answer is 400. So at number 1, the estimated quotient is 400. What about number 2? Round off the first number to the highest place value. That will give you, correct, 5,000. What about the second number? Yes, 60,000. So let's cancel. There is 1 0, cancel 1 0, cancel also 1 0. But if you notice, 5 or 50 not compatible with 6. 50 or 5 or 50 and 6 are not compatible numbers, meaning you cannot divide them easily. So again, if you cannot divide, since we cannot use 50 to divide by 6 because they are not compatible, go back to the original number, which is 54. Can we use 54 divided by 6? Yes, they are compatible. So instead of using 50, so we will use 54. So 50, instead of 50, we'll use 54. But remember, there is one more 0 here. So bring down that 1 0, then divide this by 6. So if you cannot divide 540 by 6, why not 54 first? 54 divided by 6, and that will give you 9. Then just carry the 0 here. So our estimated quotient is 90. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.